we're gonna give you a tour of the town and also how many type of the camping ground they have it.
Let's go for the tour of this town, Waterton, the heaven on the earth. So we are going. So come on with us.
Okay guys, so we are just leaving the block G or section G or say G camping ground. We are actually staying at G. So just beside there is a D. It's also a small campground. And in front you see that this is just only for the RVs, truck and trailers. You can't take your car anything here. So this is called C. So you can use only C for your truck and trailer. So let's get into the C first. Look at that, those RVs, motorhome. They also call the motorhome those buses.
D, we have electricity or not?
Yeah, D have the electricity. You see that? That's the green color. You can hook up there. Okay. So this is now we're entering E, and E is pretty much small camping ground. You can use it for, I think so, but they don't have the electrical outlets, right?
Oh, this guy has his own solar system.
Yeah. Very good. So here you don't have the electrical outlet, right? Guys, this is the A camping ground. This is just only for RVs as well. They will give you a water connection, like water tap. You see that. Then they're gonna give you electrical outlet. So you see that, those green color, they are the electrical, and just beside that there's another kind of a column of the wood. So that is water. So you can connect your RV with the water and electrical outlets as well. Look at that, the view, man, behind here. Oh wow. And let's go to the B and H. So we're entering B and H camping ground. Look at that. This water is coming from Bertha Fall. So we'll go shortly near Bertha Fall as well. On left side, this is the B. It's the same for RVs, truck and trailers. This one as well. But we'll go to the H. H is so all the way back there, and H is like you're not gonna have any facility there. No electrical outlets, no water, nothing, and even the ground is not, I'll say, smooth. So, and plus you can reserve online as well. It's just first come first serve basis. So you guys can go there. Bring in your own electrical, everything if you have some kind of facility. Otherwise, just bring your tent, put it on, and that's it. And I saw some people, they get in the washroom, they put their plug there to charge their phones and also pump the air in their beds. So it's on the other side, on right side. This is the edge. There, so this ground is not smooth, number one. Number two, no electrical outlets. Number two, no water, but they have the washrooms, so you can collect the water from there. This is uneven ground here, guys. That's the issue. And this is, I told you, you can't reserve this H online. It's just first come, first serve basis.
Walking.
Yeah, you can walk in, but you're gonna be enough lucky if you're gonna find out any spot here, because every time it's full, guys. Every time. You see, here is they give you the you can there's a water, and you can use this for your wash your utensils, right? Kitchen utensils. There's sink, and this is also washroom. So I saw some people got into there and pumped the air with electrical outlets. Yeah. So this is actually that's all the camping ground. I think so. I left the D, but D is pretty similar, the same as the G where we are camping. So see you in the town, guys. So I'm on the Watertown Harbor. So this one, this is the ferry service which I said previously. So this ferry take you to the tour on this lake, and this lake I told you this is divided between the USA and Canada. So they're gonna take you. It's gonna be 1 hour journey. I'm gonna take a look right now, because previously it's go every half an hour and 1 hour, but right now I didn't see much frequency of those ferries today. I'm gonna take a look. I'll show you what their prices are. And previously it was $60-70, but right now I think so, I don't know. So after the new administration in the USA, I'm not sure there is any change to get into this Waterton Lake, because I told you this is the border of the US and Canada, and it's divided between the US and Canada as well. So you don't need previously passport, but I don't know with the new administration. So they're gonna take you to the Waterton on the US side, and you can take a look. Before, I think so previously, like before 2015, you can walk in, like there's an island, so you can walk in, go for like 15-30 minutes and then come back. But I'm not sure what is the new administration rules are. So let's go take a look. This ferry is just about to go. Here you go. This ferry is going on journey, man. Look at that. Okay, I'll show you the. Maybe I'm gonna see any price board there. Here you go. It's ready to go, guys. Okay, guys. So I just checked Shoreline cruise ticket. So yeah, it was right. I was telling you. So they decrease the frequency of the cruise. Previously they go like in every hour, but right now it's going. There's a two type of cruise actually. The one is like which is international shoreline cruise, which is go to the Montana, like because we have a Montana here towards the US side, and here we have Alberta. So they're going to take you there for 1 hour. They're going to charge you $65 plus GST and $32 for kids, something like that. I think so. I'll post the pictures. You can take a look. And they decrease the frequency to the 4 times per day. So in the morning, 2 o'clock, evening, and also 4 p.m. as well. And the other cruise it's called Crypt Lake hiking. So they're gonna drop you off in the morning. On the one side of the Crypt Lake, you're gonna hike all the day, and they're gonna pick you up at the evening. And that is $32 plus GST. So 2 type of cruise there, right? So yeah, so they decrease the frequency with the, I think so, with the administration in the USA. So we'll keep you posted. Take a look of the Watertown Lake, guys. Look at that. Look at that. What a view, guys. Oh man. It's evaporation right now. You see that? Evaporate. That's why it's a little bit hazy all the way back. But what a view. I'm not sure what you are watching on the screen is what I'm watching here. It's heaven on earth, guys. Oh, look at that. And this side is harbor. See that? This is the information. It might be helpful for some people if they want to come here and want to take a look what is the journey of the cruise. So here is some, you can stop your screen and take a look. I think so. This is the cruise journey, right? So on the US side is the Montana, on our side is Alberta, and here you can take a look. So you can stop there. You can take a look of here, this board as well, right? So it's pretty good information for those who want to come here and visit Waterton Lake.